So we're just getting ready to spray our first coat of primer, and it's just standard surface primer, that's all, nothing special about it. You can hear in the background we've got our fans on that for some good ventilation. I'm about to put on my own dust mask, and we'll just very quickly take you through just showing us covering the body with the first coat of primer. We're going to let that set overnight, and we'll come back tomorrow, maybe sand back part of it and do another coat of primer, maybe, we'll see how it goes, and start to just begin the painting process. This will probably be the last you'll hear me talking until we're finished doing all the paint, hopefully. So that's our primer all done. As you can see, it's just completely white. It just helps fill in a lot of the area and just gives a nice flat clean surface to work on, and the white also helps the top colour that's going on to kind of pop a bit more. So we're going to move on now to doing our colour spraying. So we're just getting ready to start spraying our colour now, and the noise you can hear in the background is we've got a couple of heater fans going. And that's because we're trying to warm up the air around the area, just to try and make sure we spray a little bit better. The reason being, this isn't the right time of year. We're in December now, to be spraying any kind of aerosol or anything. It's just with the temperature being so cold, the paint can actually start to dry before it even hits the object you're spraying, and it just makes spraying a nightmare. So we're doing our best there. We've heated up the we're trying to heat up the air. We're trying to warm the can as we're shaking it and that. So I'm just going to pop on my mask now, and we're just going to start spraying our first coat. And before we start spraying the colour on, I'll just warn you, this type of guitar needs a special kind of colour just because of the style it is. So let me know what you think of the colour.